Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, this is Rick, and this is our technically first delivery day or work day of the year 2025. We just got home from Siargao from a 6-day vacation together with my lovely wife, and then balik na tayo sa kalsada. Kung mapapansin nyo, iba na yung dala natin. Hindi na yung ating personal vehicle na 2016 Ford EcoSport Titanium. Ngayon, ang dala na natin ay Toyota. So ayan guys, so nakuha na natin yung ating bagong 2025 Toyota Light Ace panel van, 1.5 liters manual transmission cargo van. So graduate na tayo sa ating paggamit ng ating personal vehicle na 2016 Ford EcoSport Titanium. So tinry natin yung logistics business using that EcoSport, our personal vehicle, yeah, we are now going all in. So kagandahan nitong ating panel van is dalawa yung kanyang side sliding doors. So naglagay na tayo ng cartons, although may kasama ng matting, and meron din tayong cargo liner. Naglagay pa rin tayo yan, just you know to keep the car clean. So nag-install din tayo DIY ng ating dash cam, rear and front. So medyo ganyan pa yung wiring, ayusin natin yan. So yung kanyang access here, ayan siya. So maluwag siya. Ito yung main entry point. This serves as a roof. And then like I said, dalawa yung kanyang sliding doors, and naglalak ito. Ayan. So this vehicle, this van was made for commercial purposes. Ngayon papunta tayo ng Lalamove Quezon City Hub para ipapalitan na yung ating 2016 Ford EcoSport na ating personal car. So para hindi na siya yung ginagamit natin for our business, kasi hindi naman dapat. So ang ating Ford EcoSport, category niya ay 300 kilogram MPV. Ngayon itong si Light Ace ay light van 600 kilogram. Ngayon, ano ba yung reasons why we chose to upgrade to the Light Ace from the EcoSport? Number one, nabanggit ko kanina, so si EcoSport nga ay ating personal car, di naman talaga siya pang commercial use. And etong Light Ace panel van is specifically made by Toyota for commercial use. So yun yung reason para tama lang yung vehicle na ginagamit natin. Secondly, from 300 kg, meron na tayo ngayong 600 kg capacity. I mean, yung category natin. So, na-double natin yung ating rate or capacity rin, like mentioned earlier. So, yun siya, isa sa reason. So, marami na tayong kargada. Mapapansin nyo, two-seater lang to, and the rest of the vehicle is specifically allotted for cargo na. So marami tayong may sasakay. Since alam nyo naman sa Lalamove, you're actually encouraged to do multiple bookings. So marami delivery yun na naka-complete ni Lalamove. Ngayon naka-AC tayo, unlike sa ating EcoSport, since nagtitipid tayo sa fuel, sa ating fuel. Ito, naka-AC tayo. So nakuha natin tong ating Light Ace sa ating trusted agent sa Toyota Bacoor, si Sir Ivan. Ayan, so siya na yung agent namin from the start na nag-decide kaming kumuha ng mga Toyota vehicles noong unang panahon pa, years na ang usapan. Yan, maraming advantages naman to si Light Ace, so we decided to just do it kasi hindi lang naman Lalamove yung ating ginagawa sa logistics. So we're also going to cater sa mga private companies that we can close as a client, no? So yun siya. Although mapapansin nyo maalog siya, no? Bukod sa pangit talaga yung kalsada natin sa Pilipinas, maalog siya talaga. Yung kanyang suspension is not as nice as the EcoSport or yun nga, talagang this is for commercial 695,000 lang ito. But there are some features na nagulat ako meron siya. Number one, traction control, no? So meron siyang traction control. So if we do some emergency maneuvers, we're not going to experience any sudden unexpected moves. For example, malagay ka sa alanganin, sa aksidente dahil nawala ka ng control. Kunyari may iniwasan kang pothole or pedestrian or other motorists, yun, malaking advantage tong si traction control. Pag madulas din ang kalsada, yan. Meron siyang dalawang airbags, one for the passenger, one for the driver. So AC, sobrang lamig. What else? So itong kanyang side mirrors, pang lang siya, manual siya. But as you can see, mataas yung height niya, so marami na tayong nakikita. Point of view wise, not bad na kahit manual. Hindi naman natin kailangan mag-adjust na mag-adjust. Syempre parking sensors, so wala yan. This is again a commercial vehicle. This is more of a workhorse than a personal car. Wala rin siyang automatic variant, so but it's fine. It's been years since nakahawak ako ng manual. So far so good naman. Syempre naninibago ka sa simula. But overall, okay yung niya. Okay yung experience for the manual driving dito sa Lite Ace. Mataas yung kanyang clutch bite point. So medyo nakapanibago. Sanay ako sa medyo mababa yung clutch. Ang engine nito ay nasa, ito, inuupuan ko yung engine nya. So medyo mainit sa bandang banda doon. But what I did is I bought a heat pad, heat shield, and a cushion for Lite Ace. Ayan. So parang di tayo masyadong naiinitan. Syempre pag bumiyahe tayo, ilang oras din tayo sa kalsada. So up to 750 kilograms ang payload ni Toyota Lite Ace panel van variant. Another feature pala is power assisted tong ating steering wheel. So hindi ka power steering, you have power steering. And guys, so nandito tayo sa Lalamove QC Hub. Maraming tao. Hindi na ako maasa makakabiyahe ako ngayon. Pero okay lang. Ayan. So, pa-change na tayo ng vehicle. Hello everyone. Ayan. So after a few minutes, saglit lang, mabilis lang, na-approve na yung ating vehicle change application. So ngayon tayo ay may nahanap na kagad na booking from here going to Cainta, Rizal. Ayan. So puntahan na natin and magsimulan na kagad natin yung araw. So time check 2:17 PM January 10th.
Hello?
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Lalamove po. Yes, confirm ko lang ma'am kung ano pong pipick upin.
Round gallons, empty gallons po.
Empty gallons. Alright, on my way po. 5 minutes. Ayan guys, so ang pipick upin natin ay mga empty gallons. Going to Cainta. So yan, 5 minutes away lang sa ating location. And guys, so na-pick up na natin 13 empty gallons. Ayan. So may space pa tayo, but let's see. We don't need to push ourselves na mag-double booking. Nakakuha tayo ng another booking. Ayan. So going to Cainta rin, of course. Almost close din sa original nating pinick up sa ating unang order. And guys, so na-pick up na natin yung ating mga tissue, mga wipes. So papunta rin to ng Cainta. Ito yung ating second booking. So magkasabay itong first and second booking natin of the day. Alright guys, it's 5:17, super traffic. Na-drop off na natin yung ating isang Cainta booking, yung sa APT Studios. Right now, we are on our way naman sa isa pa nating Cainta drop off. So, tumawag kanina si client and mali daw yung address na nabook na ang kanyang assistant, and nagmamadali rin daw po sila. Ang akala ni ma'am, the client, ay naka-priority booking, which wasn't the case. We explained the situation, and then naintindihan naman ni client. So, problem solved. And guys, so na-drop off na natin lahat ng ating dalawang Cainta booking. So time check 5:43. So next natin gagawin ay maghanap ng panibagong bookings. Ayan guys, so time check 8:33. Medyo maraming nangyari after nung pag-drop off natin. Well, hindi pala marami. Usually kumain lang ako. Ayan, so kumain tayo ng marami. And now meron tayong third booking of the day, from Antipolo to Pasig. Ayan, so ipapadala natin ay gaming table. And guys, so naisakay na natin yung gaming table going to Pasig. So ayan, deliver na natin agad. Alright, so na-drop off na natin ang gaming table sa ating client kanina lamang. Ngayon, hanap na tayo ng gandang pwesto for us to find. Probably our last booking. Bawi na lang tayo bukas since we can do a full day tomorrow. Hello everyone. So yun, after ng ating Antipolo to Pasig booking, ating third booking for the day, hindi tayo nakahanap na suitable bookings. And right now, nandito na tayo sa Marikina. We are going home. And nag-consume tayo ng, so far, 2 bars of fuel. Ayan guys, so nakapagpa-fuel na tayo. So full tank ulit. And naka 800 din tayo sa maghapon na, almost maghapon na pag biyahe. Although yun nga, yung almost 1 hour dun ay nakaspend lang naman sa Lalamove QC Hub. But the rest is yung mga meal breaks lang naman. Super traffic ngayon. Super traffic. But if you will notice, usually nasa 750 to 1,000 yung fuel natin, no? Sa EcoSport without the AC. But now, with light Ace na naka-AC pa tayo, nasa 800 lang. What we are trying to document here is yung buhay ng delivery driver, ng logistics owner, operator, and driver, regardless dun sa platform. So yun, kita-kits sa susunod na biyahe. Bye-bye you!